52:47. We're almost done. Here we just have cables and stuff. But I need to demonstrate the items in here. In this box here. So we have just old stuff in here. The antenna box, just on this interesting phone box. Look, it opens like that, like a door. I can use it for something. And they have this other box here. Easter eggs. We have this padlock box. I'm just gonna go ahead and demonstrate the locks for you since this is a full room tour and I have to do that. I did skip some stuff because they were just the same thing and they're not worth filming, but this is worth filming, so. Okay. Okay, there it is. Yep, this box is super old. Right, so here we have, so this is the doorknob that was in my bedroom before, so we replaced it, so we replaced this doorknob, and this was for my bedroom. And this right here was for no, this was my doorknob, this was my my sister's room doorknob. And, yeah, I'm gonna open it up. Demonstrate all the locks for you right here on this. Oh. A bunch of keys in here. Have two of the same key. This one right here. There we go. Got this padlock years ago. Oh, it's stuck. Why is it stuck to this? Oh, there we go. A piece of tape got stuck. I have these older padlocks that I got over the years. This is something private. First, I'm going to demonstrate this padlock, and I got that a long time ago. And the combination is 28,517. Here we go. I got this at the 99-cent store. You have this very old one. And then I'll put the number there because this one's already... This one's like... I don't know what that is. Old. 236. Wait. 2131.6. They still work. I can't believe that. I have this combination padlock, and I'm gonna open this off camera because I want to give the privacy away. Get to see the last line of the combination. Oops. You can hear the little clicks in there as you turn it. So if you, like, you can hear the mechanism. And this one has a key behind it. I don't have that key, so. Right, and then this is the key for this padlock. Watch this. It's a security padlock. And I got this one 5 years ago, 5.5 years ago. And then I have this short combination lock, but that one doesn't work. I got that at Daiso, Japan, in Walnut, California. That's basically, I think it's near Hacienda Heights. Master combination lock. I'm going to demonstrate this padlock here too, in the smaller ones next. So time. I'm about to have this one for 6 years. I got this one in January 2017 at Daiso, Japan, in Walnut, California. This one is just super cool. Go open it one time, then one more padlock, and then in the video right there. Right, we'll go ahead and open this one up. This one's tiny too. And then here we have more items. I can't. Just have this inside. This tiny box that I made 5 years ago. Look at this tiny padlock.